one is Jennifer. And today I got some Happy Mail from Nightingale Crochet. And I wanted to share that with you. She makes stitch markers. And they are fantastic. So I'm going to share these with you. I'm going to take this out of the package. They're like super pretty. And I'm going to link her channel so you guys can see. So here's the first set. They're cardinals. Oh, they're not coming in. Here's the cardinals. Now these can be used as either earrings or stitch markers. And they are just beautiful and stunning. So I got four of the cardinals because they're just beautiful. And then I got, can't wait to show you. She has a very fast turnaround and ships them all. And then I got a set of angels. I got some blue angels. This is to represent my dad and my son. But aren't they beautiful? They're gorgeous. So I love these. And again, they could be earrings or they could be stitch markers. And then my last set that I got. And they are beautiful. I wanted some snowmen to use as earrings. And aren't they adorable? They are just absolutely adorable. So, I got a set of these. And these. And one more set of cardinals. And I bought these from Victoria. And they're just stunning. And, unbeknownst to me, Victoria included in the package, this comes from my friend, Sherry K. And I'm going to put her link down below. And she included this in the package. And this came from my friend, Sherry K., whom I love dearly. And there they go. And it's a heart and an angel. And they are just beautiful. And it had the most sweetest note. Absolutely. So, for all of them, Victoria made these all. So, these are just beautiful. I've got lots of these stitch markers. They are amazing. So, I love them all. Thank you so much, Victoria. Thank you so much, Sherry. I absolutely love them. Thank you so much. Please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.